Hey everyone, Frugal Panda here with just a quick review and unboxing of the Joytutus car air freshener and diffuser, humidifier, and aromatherapy. This works with cars, uses a USB-C. It came pretty fast from Amazon. I will leave links in the description for this product. It fits in a regular size cup holder too, by the way, and sits in there pretty securely. So what I'm going to do, and everything is sped up, I'm going to unbox it. I'm just showing you like how it looks and everything like that. It was well packaged when I got it. It's going to come with, like I said, two individual nozzles. It has a car cup holder extender, which you will see how it twists off. That's where you can actually put your cup in. And at first I couldn't figure it out, but then the top is where you'd actually put your water. And it has two little tanks for it to use the different ones. You can use one like for a diffuser and one for water, whatever you want to do. If used it, I would use it for mostly just a humidifier, like when I'm in dry areas or I'm out in the desert, or just dry areas. And as you know, in Colorado, it is drier out here. It comes with its charging cable, a little, looks like a little protector for your cup to put your cup down on. It's rubberized, and it takes a very large cup, which is pretty cool. You don't have to necessarily use it for a cup either. You can put, store different stuff in that little compartment from your essential oils if you wanted to put them in the, just have them there for storage, change, pocket change, stuff like that. It has the button you can utilize, and you push it, and it will use to push. You push it, and it will use it for the different nozzles. It also has a delay, so you can conserve the water, where like it will spray a mist up and then it will stop for a few seconds and then spray a mist up and everything like that, which is really cool because it helps save on that. It also, you can change the color of the humidifier. It has little colors around it too, blue, red. There's different ones. There's like 7 kinds, I believe. So I'll leave a link in the description for it. Yeah, so it can be used continuously for 2 hours at a time. If you choose to use the intermittent spray mode, that's where it starts and stops. It can be used up to 4 hours. If the battery power level is lower than 10%, it will automatically beep and shut off, which is pretty cool. So you don't have to worry about draining your battery. You can just charge it up and let it go and do its thing, which I really like. What I would use it more likely for is not necessarily my car as much, is I would pull it out and throw it in my tent with me, especially because sometimes I wake up with a dry nose out here in Colorado with the altitude and just the dry humidity that it has. Which is pretty cool that you can do that. You can use it with any multiple cars. This is just an example of me putting it in my 2007 Chevrolet Avalanche truck. You see that pop up? That's just an extra. That's just where I put in a little thing to have more cup holders in my car, because still back in '07 they still were a little lacking on cup holders. So if you saw it pop up, that has nothing to do with the humidifier. But yeah, I like it. I think it works pretty cool. Like I said, that little hidden compartment is also pretty cool in that you can hide stuff in there if you wanted to. Keys, like I'd stick probably my keys to my e-bikes in there when I'm traveling with them in the truck or whatever I'm carrying. But I would pull this out and put it in my tent, which I do like. But charging it is pretty easy. It has it turn red. The light will be red, and then once it's charged, it will turn green when it's fully charged, and it can be used up to 4 hours. And like I said, it has a low battery reminder. If there's a shortage of water in this, a red light will flash for 10 seconds to prompt the machine, and it will stop it from spraying, probably to stop it from having any damage. It does not affect this, though, for normal use of the lights. So I think that's really cool. I'll leave links in the description for it. It says that it has a whole list if you go on the Amazon link to tell you what ones it's not compatible with. Chevy Envoy, Ford F-150s, and stuff like that. I don't really know. I don't have those cars, but I put it in my 2007 Chevrolet Avalanche, and it fit fine. I don't even have to look. I know it fits fine in my Nissan Ariya, my electric CUV. It will fit in my Nissan Kicks 2023. So yeah, I don't know. I'll leave links in the description though if you're interested. Have a good day.